Hello, this is Andrew Reynolds, and today I'm going to show you how to make an alternating square knot, typically used for macrame projects and things like that. Basically, you're going to take 4 strands of like a shoelace kind of material, about 5 feet in length would be good, and just kind of tie a knot together in the middle of all of them, just to have them all secured in a place that they're all kind of coming out from. I've alternated kind of the black and white so that it'll be a little bit more decorative. And then basically you're going to have to alternate in order to get the square knot that you need. You're going to have to alternate what you do. So if you start with your right hand and put that over the left hand strand, pull that together till it's about 1.5 inches away from your original knot. And then since you did right over left, you're going to have to do left over right in order to complete your square knot. Make sure that this is pretty even. That'll make whatever's hanging in your net sit properly. And you can see that we have a very tiny little square knot that they kind of loop around each other no matter which way you turn them, and that is your square knot. Now basically go around on each of these sets of 2, go to the next set of 2 and tie that knot all the way around. So you have all first 4 sets of your knots done. Each of the 2 ropes that were coming out, you have them tied together. Now you're not going to tie the same 2 ropes together that you had tied with previously. You're going to take one of those sides and then find the string of the next side, and you're basically going to use those as your next set of square knots. So once again, about the same distance as you were from your original knot, right over left, left over right. Just make sure you're always alternating them so you get a true square knot. And then you pull those close together. Now you can already start to see that a net is forming here. You got all these holes, and now this one's going to create its own holes. So now you do that all the way around again, and you keep doing that until you have enough netting as what you have desired. And of course you can continue this out as many times as you want and even kind of overlap the object. And I just kind of have a little soccer ball here to kind of show you basically what you can expect as we turn this over. Like I said, this will, remind you of some potted plant kind of setups that you've seen in your childhood. Just kind of all coming out from that original point, and then, you just make sure you had enough string left over from all of it so you could, if I hold it evenly, you can see that if we were to continue that out, that would be more than sufficient to hold your potted plant or whatever you might want to do decorative-wise. So that is how to use alternating square knots to create a decorative net for hanging objects. Thanks for watching.